Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be solving one big problem, that is how to get ready for work when you have time crunch. You can get gorgeous in just no time and your colleagues will wonder if you spend hours getting ready. This 15 minutes makeup look will make your life easy and sorted in terms of how to get ready for work every day without getting late. I have cleansed my face with a mild face wash and have applied a toner and a moisturizer. I'm starting with a dark shade concealer to neutralize my dark circles. You can skip this step if you don't have dark circles and dark spots. I'm doing this because darkness can only be concealed with a dark or orange-yellow tone corrector. I'm using a small drop shape beauty blender to blend it, blending it with very light hands. Now I'm going to use Miss Rose foundation, which is a drugstore product, using a pointed brush to apply the same. Applying it all over my face and neck, covering my lips as well, just to make my lipstick last all day long. Using a big God-shaped beauty blender to blend the same. Next step is to highlight your high points of the face. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 Medium, which is one shade lighter to my skin tone. Applying it under my eyes, on my eyelids, on the center of my nose, my upper lips, chin and forehead. Also applying it below my cheekbones. Now blending it with a very small drop shape beauty blender. Now I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in shade 230 Natural Buff, applying it with its applicator all over my face in order to remove the excess oil because I want my makeup to last all day. I'm using a thick fluffy brush to wipe the excess powder off my face. I'm using my Love Flush palette and applying this brownish blush on my cheeks because I want very natural look, using a blush brush for the same. Moving on to my lips, I'm using Chambord Powder Matte Lipstick in shade Rose Fresque. Always start your lipstick from your cupid's bow because this way you get a perfect shape without too much hassle. Now next step is to do my brows. I'm using Lorac Pro eyeshadow palette and using the shade Espresso for my brows. Using my favorite brow brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm filling and then curling my brows. Moving on to my eyes using the shade Taupe from the same palette to make my crease. Applying it with a medium blending brush. Now I am applying a very natural shade Mauve on my eyelids with a flat eyeshadow brush and spreading it over my eyelids. I'm gonna be using Maybelline Gel Eyeliner in shade 01 Black for my waterline. To line my eyes, I'm using Lakme Liquid Eyeliner. I'm lining a very thin line and then building it to get some thickness, also extending it to get a wink. Last step is mascara. I'm curling my lashes thoroughly. See, I'm ready to go to work. Just follow this easy makeup routine and rock your look every single day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always happy to get new video suggestions. Do let me know. Bye. Take care.